Getting a notification that your Stripe dispute rate is climbing is the fastest way to ruin your week. If you're seeing a rate of even 1% or higher, you are officially in the danger zone. Most people think they can just ignore a few unhappy customers, but Stripe is not your friend when it is under pressure from Visa and MasterCard. If those big credit companies see too many chargebacks on your account, Stripe will protect their own reputation by kicking you off their platform entirely. You'll find your funds locked in a holding cell for 90 days while they drip feed you your own money. We're going to fix your setup right now so you don't lose your entire business overnight. And stick around until the end because I'm going to show you a specific payment setting that instantly cuts your fraud risk by half without costing you a dime. The reason you're in this mess usually comes down to how easy it is for a customer to click a button and claim they never got their order. When a customer disputes a charge, Stripe gets blamed by the banks, so they pass that heat directly onto you in the form of massive fees and account freezes. It's a chain reaction where the merchant at the bottom always loses the most. To stop the bleeding, the first thing you need to do is open your dashboard and look at every single chargeback you've received. You need to categorize them. Are these actual errors on your end, or are these professional scammers trying to get a free product? If it's fraud, you need to tighten your security immediately. Your first technical move is to enable 3D Secure, or 3DS, on your checkout page. This adds a verification step where the customer has to enter an SMS code or use their banking app to confirm the purchase. It might feel like you're adding friction, but it shifts the liability of a dispute from your shoulders back to the bank. Next, you need to stop putting all your eggs in the Stripe basket. You should implement payment orchestration using a tool like OpenPay. This allows you to connect 3 or 4 different payment gateways at the same time. Instead of all your disputes hitting one account and triggering a ban, the system spreads your sales across multiple gateways. If one account gets a few chargebacks, it stays well below that 1% danger threshold because your total volume is distributed. It's basically an insurance policy for your cash flow. Another aggressive but effective move is to change what types of money you actually accept. Credit cards are the primary tool for people looking to file easy disputes, whereas debit cards have much stricter rules for the consumer. You can actually go into your settings and limit or completely block certain credit card types that have a history of high dispute rates in your specific industry. This forces customers to use more secure payment methods and naturally lowers your risk profile over time. Now, here's the pro tip I promised you for staying this long. Most of your disputes probably come from friendly fraud, where people forget what they bought. To fix this, change your statement descriptor in your Stripe settings to match your website URL exactly. If they see your shop URL on their bank statement instead of some random corporate name they don't recognize, they won't hit that dispute button in a panic. You should also check out my other guide on how to automate your customer support, because a fast refund is always cheaper than a $15 dispute fee.